Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're here with me, Mirchi and Stevie K. Today we're going to be watching Amit Trivedi'S Sound of Nation performance for Stag Mirchi Music Awards. Well done. Wow. You guys want me to start this all off, so here goes, yeah? So be patient with me, I'm new to all of this, although I listen to you every day. Still find it very difficult. But anyway, before we do, would you please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, like and share with people you know, and also we're on Instagram and Twitter, and we have a new account, we have a new channel also. We have a new channel called Magic Flicks TV. If you haven't already subscribed to that, please do so. There we'll be doing vlogs and all sorts of different things. So yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy with that? Let's go.
Happy boss.
Let's watch this.
घर फिरदौस पर हुए ज़मीनस हमीयस्तो 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 घर जन्नत है ज़मीं पे कहीं यहीं पर है हमीयस्तो 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 घर फिरदौस पर हुए ज़मीनस हमीयस्तो हमीयस्तो घर जन्नत है ज़मीं पे कहीं यहीं पर है हमीयस्तो पश्मीना धागों के संग कोई आज बुने ख्वाब कैसे कैसे वादी में गूंजे कहीं नए साज ये रबाब ऐसे कैसे पश्मीना धागों के संग
So
कागज के दो पंख लेके
गंगा।
उड़ा चला जाए रे जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चला है रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे दिशाहारा केमन बोका मुंटा रे प्राण पाखी मोर उइरा যায় খাঁচা ভেঙে পীড়িত বড় জ্বালা রে বড় জ্বালা রে প্রাণ পাখি মোর উইরা যায় খাঁচা ভেঙে
सवार लूं हाय सवार लूं हाय सवार लूं
yes, you pretty.
Did I say anything?
I know you were thinking it.
Read my mind. Who is she? Gotta find out now. Guys, who is she?
I'm sure someone will tell you in the comments. Rajasthan. Yeah, but
जाओ जी मन दीद कराओ जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी
shakal
हर
dikhao ji.
सरोरत सब जानू मैं चौधरी हर सले वो निपंगा जी मैं कहन लगी हर इवड़े में जागी धोकनी चंद में थाली चांदनी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम
Who's next? Who's he getting? This one will be interesting. Something fast-paced.
नवराई माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवड तिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवड तिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग
I bet her grandkids will be really happy with her voice singing. Wow. Aww.
के अकबाई हल्ला मचाए दे
Look at his face.
हल्ला मचाए दे के अकबाई हल्ला मचाए दे के अकबाई हल्ला मचाए दे
He would have cracked you up. You would have started laughing. Good. They're all good.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेलाई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
They're playing all that with their mouths on.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेलाई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई हे शहनाई खम के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है अशक मोती ससक माल हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ हमको ढोना है शहनाई 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 रस रचिलो सास सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी अच्छा अच्छा टमटमाता शमणावो छे लावी
प्रेमं वेकपं क्रिटिकल कंडीशन
I've heard this before somewhere.
थम क्विकपं
South
हिलडुल सब शेकपं
Have we reacted to this?
फेस टू
Sounds like
फेसम
something.
धरती पुत्रम टॉप टू बेसम काम सूत्रम थैजम
Sounds
ठंडरम
familiar.
No, I don't think I have reacted to it, but it
It's
sounds.
probably the music that.
वंडरम जंपिंगम
I've seen it somewhere. I heard it somewhere.
पिंगम थ्रॉबिंगम
Is it a Rani Mukherjee film?
Yes. It's
Ronnie
somewhere-
Mukherjee's-
I know. Now that you're saying it, I feel like I've heard it. That beat is like tunes. Unless I've changed it at all.
Badshah. Oh.
तू हो गई 1 2 2 ओ प्रिय 1 2 2 ओ हो गई मुंडे दी ओ तंगा मरी की तू एवें उड्डी दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी
Much guy.
हिला ते जल्दी टुक टुक तू कर दी मेकअप तू कर दी यार अंग्रेजी पढ़ दी गिट पिट तू कर दी जिਵੇਂ ਕੀਨ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ
I love the colour he's wearing. Suits him.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अजगड़िए अग दुनिया पेट्रोल चल सुटिए
He's good though.
अंदर दा कुत्ता अजगड़िए अग दुनिया पेट्रोल
He's from Ulta Punjab in the movie.
पौड़न किरानों का रखेगा कौन
Shahid Kapoor.
उड़दा पंजाब उड़दा पंजाब
Shahid Kapoor the best. He's awesome.
Cool. Well done.
We're done. No.
I would like to thank Mirchi Awards for giving me this opportunity. हर कंपोजर का एक ड्रीम होता है. मेरा भी एक ड्रीम था कि मैं अपने देश के साउंड्स को लेके कुछ करूं. और मुझे आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये मौका मिला कि मैं अपने देश के म्यूजिक को एक साथ इकट्ठे बाइंड करके एक ही स्टेज पे लाऊं. And it wouldn't have been possible without these amazing artists on stage. And this is the sound of our nation. This is what makes me love my zindagi. So on that note, love you.
That was so lovely.
That's really good. No, I haven't seen anything like that. Like, you know, he getting all the nation, they're all singing songs from all over, and it was like a bit of flavour from everywhere kind of thing, and he's just like...
But you felt like you understood it as well, some of the words. I know, like, Gujarat, I've never been, I don't know the language, but when you were singing, I was like, oh, I can understand some of the words here, and there were some other ones as well.
Because they were singing in Hindi.
No, not all of them were.
Oh.
They weren't.
Just...
They weren't all in Hindi. Are you...
No, I'm just saying.
Okay. So, yeah, it was lovely.
It was
To
really
do
good.
something like that, it's a good idea.
That was very good. He sang well, and he's, you know, like the others who were doing all the music
Wow.
on their
I
mouth,
know.
doing all
I
the
can't
sort
even
of,
get the introduction of our channel started, and I would be going to get that something like that messed up.
they were just like in rhythm, in sync, doing really well, doing that stuff.
Try and put me in there.
You'll do it. No, you just probably do it quieter so no one can hear it. Just mime. Yeah, no, I did like it,
It's a
so
good idea.
I'm glad that people
They
requested.
seemed like they were having
this.
such a ball. Like, it seemed like so much fun to be on there
And
as well.
to be on that stage with all those celebrities around and they're all watching you perform, you know,
Yeah.
it's, you know, it wouldn't have been as easy to think.
As,
But
as
yeah.
well as I was thinking like the different clothing that everyone was wearing as well from each, like you've got South, you've got Punjab, whatever. It was nice to see.
But it was just crazy that as soon as the Punjabi song kicked in, we knew what we were on about. You know what I mean? Well, the words just come naturally,
Yeah.
just start moving. But no, that was good. Just everything, you know, it just flowed, and they all sang really well and very touching, very sort of like, you know, it's good. You guys let us know what you thought of this song, which one was your favourite from all of them kind of thing, you know. But it was just good having it all together. I just think it just went really well. That's all I'm going to say actually. Anyway guys, make sure you click on the like button, share with people you know, and don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.
See you on the next
See you
one.
soon. Bye.